How to sync Google Authenticator across different devices. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sync Google Authenticator app across devices. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing is you must have the Google Authenticator app. You can easily get it from the App Store or Play Store. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now after you're on your Google Authenticator, simply tap on the three lines that is on the top left corner. Now there you'll find an option called Transfer Accounts. Tap on Transfer Accounts and there you'll find an option to Export Account. So if you want to sync your Google Authenticator, just use another device to scan the code that will be created after you tap on Export Accounts. Simply scan the QR code, and after doing that, they will be able to just sync their Google Authenticator in their app, and that's basically it. But for scanning that QR code, you'll need to be on this Import Account option as well. So create an export account from this device, and then from the other device, tap on Import Accounts to scan it. And after doing that, your new account will be synced. Your new device will be synced. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.